Oh, God dang.
Baby Drake, ain't too bad, but wait till you see this shit. Oh God, you'll think it's a cake. Too gone, shit on top of my phone and make niggas say no way. And I made it today. I'm about to fly to steady, third time buzzing the play. I'll make a bitch wait. I tell her I just got home, it's third time buzzing the face. And I just got on, tell her I just got grown, it's third time buzzing the
What poppin' YouTube, man? As y'all can see, today we doing a striker POV. A striker POV, man. I got that person I'm finna meet up with. I think his name Jay. But we finna meet up with him, man. We're gonna do POV, man. He got an SS. And not the Camaro, bro. He got the Chevy SS. That bitch camped on E85. Y'all gonna see it, man. That bitch chopping. Like, just listen to this chop. If y'all don't know, he got a YouTube channel. I'm gonna put his channel right here. Y'all go watch his channel, man. But we finna meet up, do this POV, man. Get a little content in. Y'all folks, make sure y'all hit that subscribe button if y'all ain't did it already. We on the road to 10K. I try to hit 7K by the end of this month. I really ain't been on this channel too much, like how I should be. But we gonna get back right, man. I got a lot of other stuff going on that I don't really be talking about. That I just keep behind the scenes, you feel me? But like I said, we finna meet up, man. I'm gonna wait on him to get here. I don't know what time he gonna get here. I know he had said he had to find some E85, so I'm gonna let him know we here, and then we just gonna get the video started, man. Make sure y'all hit that like button, drop a comment, man, and I'll see y'all when we meet up with him. I'm just finna park up right here, get a little picture in real quick till he get here, cause I don't know where he is. I'm finna text him. It's a cool ass spot for a picture though. Y'all see that bit? It don't say no parking either, so I'm finna park right here. Damn, that bitch sound good. God damn. That bitch chopping. I smell the E85 on that bitch. You straight? What's going on? That bitch chopping. Chevy SS. Y'all don't really see these too often either, bro. Hold on, let me fix the camera. Y'all don't see these too often, bro. Y'all see it on here. Yeah. Oh yeah, by the way, go sub to your channel, bro. Your channel right here. If I ain't already put it in the video, it's gonna be right here, man. Get this start up on cam, man. That bitch smooth. Let me hear that SS start up. I'm coming back to this channel. I'm gonna be more consistent on this channel, so y'all gotta make me stick to that. And the way y'all gonna make me do that is by upping the views on this channel, man. I'm trying to get 10K plus every video. Dang. That boy chopping. That boy is chopping like crazy. I want my truck to sound like that, boy. He got an intense cam on that bitch. With E85. Hey, bro, I want my car to sound like that, boy. But I already know if my car sounded like that, boy, 12 would be on me like crazy. I don't think I can go out to the left. I mean, I don't think I can go out to the right because I'm gonna have to make a right turn. I'm gonna go out their way. I'm gonna come back through. Going to the right, going to the right. Let me slow down and wait on him. God dang, y'all hear that bit? Bro car sound crazy. Like that bit, if y'all ever heard Coaster Car, bro, Coaster Car is crazy. But that car right there, crazier. Y'all just wait, under that bridge, but that bridge finna be crazy. I know he finna hit that bit. Wait until he hit that bit. I done went past the line on that bit. Oh, let go. Broke out the spot. Oh shit. That bitch just got, god damn, what the fuck? That bitch just got sideways. Come on through this bitch, twin. And we got a tunnel coming up. I want to hear that bitch. Well, my shit got sideways like freak. Oh my god. Road car is super loud. Nah, that crazy. Road car is crazy. Bro, get out the way. Why won't y'all get out the way, bro? Get out the way. Bro, I'm gonna switch to my dash cam. Bro, I don't know if y'all gonna be able to see it or hear it on the dash cam, but the Georgia State Patrol came up to the side of me. They niggas started hitting that bit. Like, nigga was like, goddamn, playing with the gas and jump. Oh my god, his shit sound like MJ shit. God dang. I don't know what he doing out here in Mexico. Oh my god. Oh, he coming. Oh my god. Oh, we just hit traffic. Damn. That bit tough. Hey, that bit was smooth though. Y'all see that C8? Might have to get off on that net X and I ain't gonna cap. Yeah, let's go and get off on that net one game. Bro, car sounds so good, bro, I swear. Boy, I just missed that, but he hit that bitch so hard. I need some new tires on the rear, boy. I know it wet, but god dang. Oh my god. Okay, we got third person. Okay. Okay. That bitch sound excellent, bro. Hey, that RT sound good too. I can't count. I feel like this the hardest POV I done ever did. But y'all let me know, bro. Y'all let me know. I feel like this vid should hit 50K. I wish I could have caught GSP on cam, bro. Bro was really hitting that bit. Like, he was really trying to get me to hit that bit, but I'm not finna hit that bit, bro. Bro was trying to set me up for failure. Let's go track mode, bro. God dang, are we in the turn lane? Gotta be. All these cars coming, bro. I'm gonna get over. Bruh, light to turn red. Oh, there go 12. Cool it down, cool it down. Get in front, get in front. Oh my God. Oh my God. I didn't think it could get as loud as MJZL1. This shit right now. Oh my God. It sounded like it hurt when he hit that bitch. Like, just listen to this chop. Oh my God. That bitch too crazy, boy. I ain't gonna lie, bro, just scared the folks on the side of the road, bro. God dang. Hey, bro, you just scared them folks. I said you just scared them folks. Oh, shit. God dang. I'm straight spinning, bro. Y'all see that charger up there? That bitch got some clean headlights on it. Is that a cat? I think so. That bitch tough. I'm finna find a spot that like. Finna find a spot to just park or something in the vid. on my way down there, bit. But finna make some shade. Oh damn. They go to it. I'ma just got down. I don't know. I'ma go left. Y'all see him licking? That boy licking hard. But is that the opposite though? I'm just gonna go left. And what the hell are you folk waiting on, bruh? I'm finna just find somewhere to park real quick. Actually, I'm finna go over there. Hell yeah. If I can figure out how to get over there. Them folk licking. They trying to see. But man, they're gonna wrap up today's POV. I'm gonna get out. I'm gonna give y'all another walk around and jump. So y'all folks stay tuned for that. Make sure y'all hit that thumbs up, man. I'm finna give y'all a little walk around on the outside, man. And that's gonna wrap up today's video. I just realized I used to watch Coin before he was like super famous. Bruh, I ain't gonna say famous, I'm gonna say popular. But I looked at this spot right here. I remember he took Kaya here for like their first date or something. But yeah, man, finna get y'all a little walk around and jump. I ain't gonna lie, bro. You got a crazy ass car. Like, you can really go up with the content, bro.
Hey, but soon we got in there, I'm like, oh yeah, he couldn't. I be getting sliding.
Yeah, but I ain't even try to do that though. Oh shit. But like, once I realized he was gonna do it, I just kept doing it after that. Well, it's no wet roads, bro. He got a crazy car for YouTube. Like, he can really do YouTube with that car, bro. Like, easily. Y'all folks go to his channel, bro. I'm telling you, he upload POVs, all that too, bro. Y'all gotta tap in with him. YouTube, they're gonna wrap up today's video, man. Y'all folks give me a thumbs up. Like I said, man, we're gonna bring y'all more content. Y'all let me know if y'all want part 2, cause we'll do part 2 for sure. Gone.
Come here, you come here.